This is going to be a video product review of the RecoverFun T5 massage gun. The RecoverFun T5 massage gun is a percussive massager. I will show you what that means in a minute. It has a removable battery. It has 5 speeds with a mode of 1200 to 2800 RPM. It comes with a carrying case, an AC adapter, and attachments for massage. Let me show you what it looks like. The massager has 5 speed adjustments. You can use it 24 days in a row with 10 minutes of use. So it's got a very powerful battery. It is low noise. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge the massager. It is a true percussive deep tissue massager. I'm going to show you what that means. So let me show you some of the attachments. This is the one that I was using yesterday. It's got a little bit of dust on it. I was using this on the carpet. This thing is absolutely incredible. Haven't used this one yet. I love this one. This is what I call trigger point therapy. And I'm going to turn this on in a minute. This is the flat head. This is the polished metal head that I showed you. And we have the AC adapter. So let me turn this on and show you how awesome this is. What you need to do to use this is you take the attachment, you push it into the gun, make sure it's seated all the way, so I'm going to apply a little pressure. Now it's in there. We have the removable battery that I showed you. This is the power switch. When you flip the power switch, the lights are going to come on. This shows the level of charge. I've been using this for a couple days and we're still at 1 light off. This is the power switch. Now you really can't hear it. There we go. That's the low speed. This is the speed that I was using when I went over to my mom's house. If you are elderly, if you have fibromyalgia, if you are sensitive to massage, I would recommend only using the low speed because this is an extremely intense, powerful massager, and that would be the best speed for you. For me, I need the highest speed possible. I can handle, you can hear the power now, you can hear it, but listen to how quiet it is. That's the 3rd setting, 4th setting, 5th setting. Look at that. That is what a percussive massager is all about. And you can hear it, it's bouncing around on the bones now a little bit. That's what I like, that's what I need. Now let me tell you what I was using this for just last night. I bought this product. This thing is awesome. Let me show you what I use it for. Let me put this thing on the high setting. Last night I was feeling terrible. I put this thing on and put it on, oh my God. I just love this thing. Put it on my forearm because I felt terrible. I was sore, I was tight all over the place from exercising. I wasn't feeling good, the blood circulation wasn't good. And I put this on my arm for about a minute, just doing this. I'm always tight over here. I put it at the shoulder point. All of us can relate. It's very sore over here on most of us from using the computer, from leaning forward, using the keyboard, and our cell phone. We're all tight in these areas. And so I did this for about a minute or two, and then I turned it off, and I could not believe how relaxed I felt. Just an incredible, peaceful relaxation going through my body. Then I took it and I put it on my thigh muscles. I had no idea how sore my quads were from cycling, from exercising, from doing squats. So I put this on the legs. I put it around the knee. I'm always sore by my knees from riding. And then I took it and put it on the bottom of my feet. Now, you might wonder, why am I putting this on the bottom of my feet? I put this on the bottom of my feet and I turned it off after a couple minutes, and my legs were tingling all through because the blood flow, the incredible blood flow, the muscles were relaxing, they were getting nutrients from the blood. Everything felt great. So a couple minutes of this a day and you are going to feel like a new person. But I'm not done yet. Let me show you what else I did. Now the way the handle is designed, it is so long and versatile that you are able to get this behind your body to do the piriformis. on the hips. Oh my God. Wow, this is just a powerfully intense and relaxing massager. This is so nice. Most people are probably not going to be able to handle the strongest setting, but there are a lot of people that want a good massage. And this is what you're going to get when you go to a massage therapist or when you go to a chiropractor. They're going to put this on the back of your body, on your shoulders, your neck area, your piriformis, your lower back. You can hear my voice vibrating a little bit. They're going to put this all over the back of you because it's going to loosen everything up and relax you. So this is what I did last night. I put this on my back. I put this on my upper shoulders. I kept it running for a couple minutes. I turned it off, and as I was lying there in my bed, I felt my toes tingling, my legs tingling. For like 5-10 minutes afterwards, the blood was flowing, everything was relaxed. I was so calm, I was so relaxed, literally, I fell asleep. I could not get up from the bed. I was just in a deep state of relaxation from this. And I went to sleep for about an hour and a half, woke up and felt incredible. Went back to sleep about half an hour later and slept the whole night. So if you are looking for a really good, solid, powerful massager, I would recommend the RecoverFun. This thing is awesome, absolutely awesome. I'm going to leave a link in the video description so you can buy it directly from them. It is extremely inexpensive. I believe it's around $99 right now. Normally sells for about $199. Lots of attachments. Let me show you the trigger point attachment. I just stood up to get the trigger point attachment. Unbelievable. My whole lower body feels like I just had a massage. What an incredible product. Absolutely great. So this is what you do. You take the piece, you push it in all the way. This is what I call the trigger point attachment. I'm going to set it up to number 5. Most people won't be able to handle this. And so if you have a knot, if you have a tightness in a certain area, you take this and you put it on. You take this and you put this on that area. Be careful about going onto bone. Well, if you go onto bone, you're gonna hear this, and it might feel a little uncomfortable. You want to go over here if you have carpal tunnel, if you have tightness in the arms from typing, from reaching out, from working. If you're a construction worker, if you exercise a lot, all of these muscles are going to be extremely tight. You can use this on your shoulder. You can use this on your upper back. That's what I was doing. I used it at the upper back by the shoulders, kept it on there for about a minute, and the whole lower spine, everything was relaxed and tingling. So if you're looking for something that is great quality, comes with nice attachments, a removable battery, a power switch so it's easy to turn on and off. There's the switch over there I showed you. We have the lights that show you what the speed is, the lights that show you the charge level, the power switch, press it, it turns on and off. I would recommend buying the RecoverFun massage gun.